So now it's time to see CarMax's offer on the 2013 Dodge Charger Pursuit. This is my 2013 Dodge Charger Police Pursuit, and today we're gonna bring it to CarMax to see what they'll give me for it. They said they'll buy anything, right? Everything in the used car market is just insane right now. Everything is expensive. So I'm curious to see what they appraise this or what they offer for this. There are some real shit boxes on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, and they're asking huge money, and the crazy thing is they're getting huge money. I don't get it. Comment down below what you guess CarMax is gonna offer for this thing. Again, it's a 2013 Dodge Charger Hemi Police Pursuit package. It is the Hemi though, that's the important bit. And we have 167,994 miles. And I'm not even gonna tell you the idle hours. I hope they don't look at that. I am genuinely excited to see what happens and what they do. I'm curious if when they see it, like with the spotlight and all, they're gonna think this is a joke. They're gonna think that I'm just some bored off-duty state trooper maybe that was just like, hey, you know, who wants to buy my car? It's government property and not mine. You know, that could happen. Or maybe they look at it and just say, you know, we don't take vehicles like that. And I don't know what vehicle like that is supposed to mean. It's just a Dodge Charger with a different center console and a spotlight on it. Corporations, you know how it goes. And you bet I kept every single piece of police equipment on this thing while we bring it up there. I didn't change the center console, I didn't take off the spotlight, and I didn't take off the hubcaps. This is as the state police used it. Besides, we don't have the push bar or the any of the lights and sirens. But we do have all the switches for that stuff. All right, we just pulled into CarMax. It's a graveyard here. There's barely any cars. Now, I don't think you're supposed to film in there. I read that or heard that somewhere. Actually, I don't think you're supposed to film in any public place. So I did buy some secret camera glasses, and I didn't think they'd look so idiotic in person. I bought the glasses just for this occasion. And the return window passed, and now I can't return them. But I chickened out. There's no way those would pass as glasses. They just don't. They don't fit my. They don't fit anyone's face. Clearly not real. So I'm gonna have to go in there by myself and figure out what's going on. Hopefully get the appraisal or the offer, I should say. I should probably clean up my mess. I don't have a ton in here, but no, don't mind the the fake mustache or the. Don't mind those. Hopefully they don't open that. Well, here is the deal. He went around the car, took it for a little drive in the parking lot, and the kid actually really liked it. He said it was very powerful and stuff, and actually runs and drives extremely well. Believe me, I know, buddy. It looks like a piece of shit, but it definitely scoots, definitely boogies. And then he came back in after about, it only took him probably 20 minutes to do a walk around. He took a lot of pictures. And I guess he sends that information off to their, I guess they don't have in-house appraisers here. I thought they did. They send it off to their auction something. I don't know. I was a little confused by that part. But he basically does a walk around, gives his opinion, I believe, takes a bunch of pictures, sends those pictures to those guys. Those guys make the final decision and the final offer. But the guy came back and told me all of that and then said it was time for him to take his lunch. It's 3:19 in the afternoon, a little late for a lunch. But regardless, he said I could wait an hour and get an offer in hand, or they can email it to me in around the same time frame. So I'm no sucker. I'm not going to sit around and wait. Just kidding. I told him I'll just take the email thing. I wanted the paper in hand, but I can always print it out for the same effect. So now we wait a little while until we get the actual offer via email. In the meantime, I'm gonna go to the gym, and no, I'm not gonna film it.
2 hours later.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have our results, our offer. Now, I had someone print out the email for me, so this is the first time that I'm seeing this. I was right on the money. $2,000. I knew that's what they were going to offer. I knew it. Your custom offer, more like your custom middle finger to you. So they do have all sorts of notes when they go through and actually appraise the car. Interior, front seats, rear seats, carpet, all okay. Mechanical, transmission, engine, both okay. Front tires, rear tires, wheels, all okay. Structural frame, okay. It's weird they said that about the tires, because these tires do not have much tread left on them at all. And then, a lot more on this one. Considered features: ABS brakes, air conditioning, AM, FM stereo. Wow. Was that a considered feature on a 2013 car? That's new. And then we have all sorts of, dash, transmission, engine, okay. Four-wheel drive, okay. I don't have four-wheel drive. This is rear-wheel drive. Oil sludge, okay. I didn't see him check the oil. Convertible top, okay. Doesn't have a convertible top. Old hard top. Everything is okay. I don't know if that's like it's just okay, or if that's like okay, what are the other options? Is great an option and I just got all okays? Odor, okay. Okay, what is smoke smell, okay? Well, now I'm offended because I don't smoke and I don't think the car smells like smoke. If anything, it smells a tad like fuel. Probably worse to smell, to be honest. Anything else interesting on here? Bed liner, okay. There's no bed liner, there's no bed. So there it is, my custom middle finger, I'm sorry. My custom offer, my custom appraisal from CarMax. I bust them, but I do understand that they're a business, that this car would probably auction for, my guess would be like, I don't know. I feel like at a wholesale auction, this would sell for probably $4,500 on a great day. Private sale, I'd probably add $1,000 to $1,500. Again, I do not sell cars for a living. I've never been to an auction that wasn't the state surplus auction where I bought this Charger and two more. So I do understand the $2,000 offer. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments section. Do you think that's a fair offer for what this is? And let me know if you guys would like to see me bring any of the other cars to CarMax to see what they appraise at. I'm very curious now to see what they appraise or offer for the Camaro. Not the Camaro, the Corvette. The Camaro, I don't think they'd even go that old. That thing's old. It's really old now. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy motoring. Anyone need some fire kindling or toilet paper? Let me know.